yuan, 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 or yuan, yuan, yuan. Yuan is hippo or hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippo, hippo, yuan, yuan is in Maban, means hippo, yuan, 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 yuan. And the meaning of it means strong and lasted forever. You know, the hippo skin is very strong, or the hippo itself is very strong. That's why yuan lasted for many years, for a long time. Yuan, 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 hippo, 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 yuan, 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 hippo, 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 hippo. Yuan, 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 hippo, 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 yuan, 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 yuan. Thank you again, and I hope that you like yuan, hippo, yuan. And if you like yuan, please subscribe. Thank you. Yuan, hippo, 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 yuan, hippo.